VA's virtual care options enable and empower veterans to access their trusted VA healthcare anytime, anywhere. VA virtual care tools include mobile health apps, video telehealth, and My HealthyVet, VA's online patient portal. If you are looking to get started with virtual care, learn what tools may meet your needs, or receive support for specific technologies, VA's Virtual Health Resource Centers, or VHRCs, are here to help. VHRCs offer veterans, their caregivers, and VA staff one-on-one consultations with health technology experts to improve their understanding of virtual care and give them the confidence to use available tools and technologies. On-site experts can share information about virtual care resources and assist with troubleshooting technology issues. For example, these experts can help a veteran set up a device or VA app, access their telehealth appointments, send a provider a secure message using My HealthyVet, and more. VHRCs also can help VA staff adopt and use virtual care tools to provide high-quality care to veterans. VHRCs are open for in-person, phone, and video consultations. In-person appointments take place at VHRCs at select VA medical centers. For more information about virtual health resource centers or to find the location closest to you, visit connectedcare.va.gov/VHRC.